Go.
Part 2 of the jewelry necklace, the scarf necklace. Materials you'll need, we use a wood skewer, you'll have your cone beads, your pony beads, and we got these from Pat Catan's, is the best place, they're a little bit more expensive. Silver spacer beads. We use a stain pen to get the markings off from when we cut it. This is heavy duty quality thread for quilting thread. Scissors. Your needle and thread. And I have 2 of these. And also your string jewelry. So first of all, what we're going to do is, here's our cut fabric. We're going to take it first, one end of it, and we're going to quarter it at the top. And then what we're going to do is we're going to